Welcome to our channel. Understanding insurance terminology helps you choose better coverage and avoid costly surprises. Follow these step-by-step instructions to decode insurance jargon. Step 1. Understand premiums, which are the regular payments you make to maintain coverage. Compare not just monthly premiums but total annual costs including out-of-pocket expenses. Step 2. Know your deductible, the amount you pay before insurance starts covering costs. Higher deductible slower premiums but require more upfront expense when filing claims. Step 3. Learn about copayments, which are fixed amounts you pay for specific services like doctor visits or prescriptions, usually due at the time of service. Step 4. Understand coinsurance, the percentage of cost you pay after meeting your deductible. An 80-20 split means insurance pays 80% and you pay 20%. Step 5. Review the out-of-pocket maximum, which caps your annual spending on covered services. Once reached, insurance pays 100% of covered costs for the rest of the year. Step 6. Recognize the difference between exclusions and limitations. Exclusions are things not covered at all, while limitations restrict how much or how often something is covered. Step 7. Understand replacement cost versus actual cash value. Replacement cost policies pay to replace items without depreciation, while actual cash value deducts depreciation. Step 8. Read the entire policy, paying special attention to the declarations page, exclusions section, and definitions. When in doubt, ask your agent or company to explain terms clearly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.